Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of Forex trading, or even if you're a seasoned trader looking to switch brokers, you've probably come across names like Exness, Octa FX, XM, and Justmarkets. These are some of the biggest players in the Forex brokerage game, and choosing the right one can make or break your trading experience. I've been trading Forex for years, and over that time, I've spent countless hours using each of these brokers, testing their platforms, analyzing their fees, and putting their customer support to the test. Today, I'm going to break it all down for you, what each broker offers, their strengths, their weaknesses, and at the end, I'll share my personal pick for the one I choose in 2025. Forex trading is a wild ride, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. It's the largest financial market in the world, and picking the right broker is like choosing the right co-pilot for a high-stakes flight. You need reliability, speed, and a platform that fits your trading style. Whether you're scalping, swing trading, or just dipping your toes in a demo account, I've made money, lost money, and learned a ton along the way. My goal here is to give you the real scoop based on my hands-on experience. No fluff, no bias, just the facts from someone who's been in the trenches. So, I'm going to walk you through each broker, spend a few minutes to cover the key points, their platforms, fees, regulation, and so on and so forth. I'll also share some real-world insights from my time using them, like how fast their withdrawals hit my account or whether their customer support actually solves problems. Whether you're a beginner looking for a minimum deposits or pro chasing tight spreads, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, Exness. Founded in 2008 and headquartered in Cyprus, Exness is a heavyweight in the Forex world. With a monthly trading turnover of $325 billion, I've been using Exness for nearly 2 years, and it's one of these brokers that feels right, like it's built for everyone, beginners and pros alike. Let's break it down. Exness is regulated by top-tier authorities like SISEC, the FCA, and the South African FSCA, plus others like FSA in Seychelles. This gives me a lot of confidence that my funds are safe, which is non-negotiable when you're trading. Their platforms are a big win. You get MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are industry standards, but their proprietary Exness terminal is a game changer. It's super intuitive with one-click trading and sentiment indicators that help you gauge market trends. I found it perfect for quick scalping sessions, and the mobile app is just as smooth. Now, fees. Exness offers 5 account types, from standard and standard cent, great for newbies with a $10 minimum deposit, to professional accounts like raw spread and zero, which spreads start at 0.0 pips but come with a commission. I tested their standard account and the Euro USD spread averaged about 1 pip, which is decent but not the tightest. The best part? There's no inactivity fees, no deposits or withdrawal fees, and instant withdrawals. I've had funds hit my account in under 5 minutes, even on weekends, which is unreal. What else? Well, their customer support is 24/7, available in 8 languages via live chat, email, and phone. I've contacted them a few times, and live chat was lightning fast. Through email, though email responses took about a day. They also had solid educational resources like Exness Academy with the courses or trading basics and risk management. One downside, their market analysis isn't as deep as some competitors, so if you rely on broker-provided research, you might need to supplement it. In my experience, Exness shines for its reliability, fast withdrawals, and beginner-friendly vibe. It's not a perfect spread, but could be tighter on standard accounts. But still, it's a broker I trust with my money. Next, let's talk about Octa FX, or just Octa as it's now called. Launched in 2011, it's based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Octa has built a strong following, especially in Asia and Europe. I've used Octa for about a year, and it's a broker that's all about simplicity and low costs. But it's got some quirks you need to know about. Regulation-wise, Octa operates under the Financial Services Authority, or St. Vincent and the Grenadines, with a SISEC license for its European clients. It's not as heavily regulated as Exness, which might make some traders, but I've never had issues with fund safety. They offer 250 CFD instruments, including 52 Forex pairs, crypto, commodities, and indices, which is solid but not as expensive as Exness or XM. Octa's platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5 and their proprietary Octatrader. The Octatrader platform is sleek with trading views, charting tools, and copy trading features that let you mimic successful traders. I found it great for beginners who want to ease into trading without getting overwhelmed. The copy trading app is a standout, easy to use, and I've made some decent profits following top trades. However, the MT4 and MT5 platforms are better for advanced users who want algorithmic trading. Fees are where Octa shines. Their tight spreads are tight. Euro USD averaged 0.8 pips on commission-free accounts during my test, better than the average industry. There are no swap fees or inactivity fees, which is a huge plus for swing traders, and the minimum deposit is just $25, making it super accessible. Withdrawals are fast, usually within a few hours, but I've heard some complaints about delays during high demand, though I didn't experience this myself. Customer support is 24/7 via live chat, email, and phone, and I found them responsive and helpful, especially via chat. Their educational resources are robust with webinars, tutorials, and auto chartists for signals. One gripe, their economic calendar is great, but the platform can feel slow to update charts at times, which frustrated me during volatile markets. Overall, Octa is a fantastic choice for beginners and cost-conscious traders. Their low fees and copy trading make it approachable, but the lighter regulation and smaller instrument range might not suit everyone. Now, onto XM. Founded in 2009 and regulated by heavyweights like the FCA, SISAC, and ASIC, XM is a broker I've used for over a year. It's got a reputation for catering to traders of all levels with over 1,380 CFD instruments. XM is a beast when it comes to variety, and it's got some unique perks that set it apart. XM's regulation is top-notch, giving me peace of mind that my funds are secure. They offer 55 Forex pairs, but their strength lies in their massive range of other assets. Stocks, indices, commodities, and even 60 cryptocurrencies. If you're into multi-asset trading, XM's got you covered. Their platforms are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the XM app, which I found solid for mobile trading. The platform supports automated trading and has tons of technical indicators, but there's no proprietary platform, which might disappoint some traders. Fees are a mixed bag. On the commission-free standard account, Euro USD spreads average 1.2 pips in my tests, which is higher than Octa or Exness. The ultra-low account with spreads from 0.6 pips is more competitive but requires a higher deposit. There's no deposit or withdrawal fees, but a $10 monthly inactivity fee kicks in after 90 days, which caught me off guard once. XM's research is a standout. They offer daily webinars and in-house market analysis. This helped me stay on top of trends, especially for fundamental trading. Customer support is 24/5, available in 30 languages via live chat, email, and phone. I've always gotten quick, professional responses, especially via live chat. Their educational resources are some of the best: webinars, video tutorials, and a demo account that's perfect for practicing. One downside, execution speeds. They can lag during high volatility, which frustrated me during major news events. XM is great for beginners who want tons of learning resources and a wide asset range. It's not the cheapest, but the research and support make it worth considering, especially if you're trading more than just Forex. Last but not least, we have Justmarkets, formerly Just Forex. This broker was founded in 2011. I've been using Justmarkets for about 6 months, and while it's not as big as the others, I've got some compelling features, especially for traders who want high leverage and low costs. Regulation is a weak point. Justmarkets is overseen by the FSA, which isn't as rigorous as SISAC or the FCA. This made me a bit cautious, but their security measures like encryption and segregated client funds helped ease my concerns. They offer 65 Forex pairs, 14 cryptocurrencies, and CFDs on stocks, indices, and commodities, which is decent but lags behind XM and Exness. Justmarkets supports MetaTrader 4, 5, and with no proprietary platform. The platforms are reliable with good charting tools and support for copy trading, which I found useful for diversifying my strategies. The mobile app is functional but not as polished as Exness or XM's. What really stands out is their leverage, up to 3,000 to 1, which is insane but risky. I stuck to low leverage to avoid wiping out my account, and I'd advise beginners do the same. Fees are their strong suit. Spreads on their standard account are competitive, averaging around 0.9 pips for Euro USD in my experience, and there's no commission on most accounts. The minimum deposit is just $10, making it super beginner friendly, and withdrawals are generally processed within 24 hours, and I have had no issues getting my funds. Though some users do report occasional delays. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees, which is a plus. Their customer support is 24/7 live chat, email, and phone, and I found them helpful. Responses can be slower on XM or Exness. Their educational resources are decent, but not as comprehensive as XM's. One red flag, some users have reported issues with withdrawals, though I didn't encounter this myself. Justmarkets is a solid choice for traders who want low fees and high leverage, but the weaker regulation and smaller instrument range may make it less appealing for conservative traders. It's a bit of a wild card, but it's worked well so far for me. Alright, we've covered all of Exness, Octa FX, XM, and Justmarkets, and now it's time for the big question. Which one should you choose? After using all 4 brokers extensively, my personal pick for everyone is Exness, and here's why. Exness checks the box for most traders who value reliability, speed, and flexibility. The regulation by multi-top-tier authorities like SciSec and the FCA give me confidence that my funds are safe, which is my number one priority. The Exness terminal platform is a dream to use. Whether I'm scalping or analyzing charts, it's fast and intuitive, and the instant withdrawals are unmatched. I've never had to stress about getting my money out, which is something I can't say about every single broker. Fees are another reason Exness stands out. While their spreads on the standard account are around 1 pip for your USD, and they aren't the tightest, the lack of inactivity fees and deposit fees or withdrawal fees makes it a big difference over time. The range of account types like standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero, and pro means I can scale my trading as I grow, and the $10 minimum deposit is perfect for testing the waters. Plus, with over 100 Forex pairs and a solid selection of CFDs, I've got plenty of options to diversify. That said, the others also had their strengths. Octa FX is fantastic for beginners with its low $25 minimum deposit, tight spreads, and copy trading features. But the lighter regulation makes me hesitant for larger accounts. XM is our close runner-up with its incredible research and educational resources, plus a massive 1,380 CFD instruments. But the high spreads and inactivity fee are drawbacks. For me, Exness balances trust, usability, and costs better than the rest. Whether you're just starting out or managing a big portfolio, it's got the tools and reliability to support you. My advice, try their demo account first and test the terminal and see if it clicks for you. Whatever you choose, make sure it aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy trading.